transform my dining room set from Amazon, and you can do the same thing too. All you gotta do is try. Anyways, I hope you liked the video. Leave a comment down below. Have you done this before? Have you tried this? Let me know down below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to turn on the post notifications. The road to 500 subscribers is the road we are on right now, and we're going to be doing a $50 Home Depot giveaway once we get to that goal. And that's all I got for this week. Don't forget to have a great day or night. Don't forget to keep God number one. God bless.